I'm Christine Frizzau in Washington, where there are reports of a dramatic escalation in what may be the next steps at the southern border. President Trump has said repeatedly he wants to wage war on cartels. Tonight, there's new evidence that may involve the U.S. military. The pressure campaign against Mexican cartels began on President Trump's first day in office as he signed an executive order designating them a foreign terrorist organization.
President Trump, if cartels are now going to be seen as foreign terror organizations, would you think about ordering U.S. Special Forces into Mexico to take them out?
Could happen. Stranger things have happened.
The cartels, viewed by the president as the biggest beneficiary of the record-breaking mass migration, raking in billions of dollars, smuggling in millions of people, along with drugs.
They've killed more Americans with their fentanyl and their drugs than any terrorist organization in the world.
Now, new reports the CIA is reviewing its authorities to use lethal force against them. While the U.S. military massively expanded its role in helping to secure the border, Mexico's President Claudia Sheinbaum is warning penetrating it won't be tolerated. This is not just about what's legal, but about repercussions if others are harmed in an attack. The proximity to the U.S. border carries higher risks of collateral damage. This changing landscape is all part of a bigger plan by the White House to crack down on what it sees as terrorists threatening our national security. The case of more than 200 people sent from the United States to this prison in El Salvador under the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 could be just the first of many. The Supreme Court essentially green-lighting its use for now, after being put on hold by a lower court judge. Still, lawyers for some of them insist they are not criminals and have no connections whatsoever to gangs, as previously claimed by the White House.
That they can whisk someone out of the country by accident and then have no responsibility to fix, what they've broken just doesn't make sense as a legal matter and is also just disturbing as a matter of constitutional law.
The law and the Constitution in the spotlight as President Trump implements new methods and policies on immigration. I'm Christine Frizzau reporting.